example, a quick example of the gluing property of the thin master glue is I build all my purflings, all my binding. I just took a little piece just to show as an example, but I usually, when I have these long pieces for my acoustics or my arch tops, I glue my purfling at the bottom of my binding, and I always had to use tons of countless little clamps. With this product, what I really like about it is I basically spray my accelerator on the purfling. I start off on the corner of my binding. It makes a very clean job. And remember that I usually have a long piece, 30 some inches long. So what I do is I just lift up my purfling, and with the glue I come in and let it run down the binding. And as soon as it touches, bring it down. And voila. And I just scrape the excess, and that's it, ready to bind and to bend and bind.